Previously on Love and Crosses.
Say on my 1 month bill, say for a movie out. And I 1 month in the dream. My minya dine be. It's ya ba me mama home for the meantime. Minya be an essay movie.
Baba na ofi. Sherry. Sherry, we cobra. Sherry, we take it time. We person now we turn in a casa.
It's a father and daughter thing. Into none of what I'm trying to say. If your baby, you are coming to introduce your baby to her. There is no way she's going to resist it.
I want to say, as someone who can see her, say, can you trust him and care for? Come on, be kind.
Me more baby and bum papa komuda. Me je de met me bia de abon ho bai. O baby o bebam papa kombia. Meneno do or die. Ye be show fear.
Your daughter?
Yeah, she's my daughter. Hey, this is Uncle Sam, my course mate, my schoolmate. Chiam.
Wow.
Abigail. Don't worry, I'm so sorry. So just give me a call, okay?
Wow.
Abigail. Sam, I will be expecting your call. Abigail.
Where are you playing? Abigail. Hallelujah, Jehovah, now I hear. Oh, Adia Mishishe, na minsa king. Hallelujah, Jehovah, now I hear. Hey, it's your baby, it's not fear. The glass in Alpha. Why you for crying, me? Sharp, but you're sharp, metal tap. Ha! Adia Mishishe, na minsa king. Oh, Jehovah, now
So this is my humble abode. You are welcome.
Thank you.
The whole place is for you.
The place is really nice.
Oh, you like it? So you see, everything you need is here.
We have an aircon.
Yeah, sure, a couple of them. Some over there too. Oh, yes.
I guess my color is going to be very nice.
Why do you even have to talk about this smooth skin tone?
But wait, why didn't you bring your car inside?
I think you overheard me telling the security guard to take off me for that. You know, I'll be leaving out a couple of minutes, so have you just forgotten? So you see, this place is where you can just go around, do your stuff here and everything.
So in the meantime, it's going to be... But...
Yes. It's time to meet my sweet and beautiful daughter. Good. So now you see?
Yeah, the place is so nice.
Yes, this is where you're going to go home.
That's a baby girl.
Oh. See how he's asleep. Sherry? Sherry! Daddy is home!
Look at how cute she is.
Oh. Sweetest daughter.
Who is this?
This is Sewa, my honey coochie coochie.
Sister Sewa, you're welcome.
Thank you. She looks just like her father.
Oh, yes.
And her cheeks looks like mine.
Oh.
So I guess there is a mistake somewhere.
Oh, okay. Even if there is a mistake, tell her you're going to rectify it.
Oh.
And give birth to a bouncing baby boy just like
Okay.
you know, I just wanted to show you my room and some other places in the house.
Okay.
Come on, dear.
Okay.
Okay,
See, my daughter likes you.
Who love you? Nindia back wash it at the edge of the dad. Mommy rested. I'm in planning. Yeah, but sharp.
Hello? Sam. I'm at the end of last way. Mene ubane piena. Yokotu mpasa kakra. Ose afi ne abetina ha se nto no sheda ni ma bebia. There it goes again. Sam. Makacho senya nto boasie mamme. Yako a new apartment now, you'll be the first person to come and pay me a visit. And I'm no kasa onti ase. Sam. What me drew fear me fro. Missy me drew fear me fro. What did I make kasa onti my sister? Missy a drew fear me fro. Me shout say why me sorry. Matilde me draw why? Me that's it.
Madam's not some tall flesser. And now some, and now some. But I'm impressed with your name, quite a new flat. Hey,
Abigail. Hey, Abigail. Now they're not some no dear. Hey.
Everything, wow. Not champagne, auntie. Yes, sure.
No, when you're able to give birth to our baby boy, it's going to get the same hair.
I've already been celebrating. I was thinking it's going to say Mickey baby's name. Excuse me.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah. So soon. Oh, that's all the man can say. Oh, there be tea. What are you here? Okay. That tea, you can be crying like a man in check. I mean, oh, they Mati, what they say that would over can be a man, I can't tell you, Mati. Missy Mati. Why, me will feel to know being a friend.
What was that about?
And the agent, no, our friend, you'll see, I'm tenant now, my barber share. She's coming in as soon as possible. Say, oh, but I was going to share hall, no, I'm going to share kitchen. The room, penny, what?
Daddy, I'll come with me.
Hi, Sherry. But you're very dear, Brony.
With this spaghetti.
It is spaghetti? You want spaghetti?
Yes.
Okay. Wait, I said the spaghetti could do home. I think they say oil so.
Baby,
oh, well, don't worry. Mommy said, why is here? Pacho said, Brony dear, we need to turn us. So your spaghetti can come and do it. So we are one. Okay. See, mommy, they are what's any problem?
sharp.
Straight up. See, honey, we're make sure I'm
Spaghetti. Okay. Spaghetti.
Oh yeah, sure. No pay. I'm your favorite.
And
I missed you. Yeah, I do.
Sherry.
don't worry, I'll do it for you, okay?
Come.
Spaghetti with stew. Me use the oil.
Oh, I watch that. Oil for oil. I can't. I didn't come in. No, I'm in a voice.
I'll finish racing.
Now, phone the kitchen there. I'm here. Don't tell me someone.
Oh, there was saying, maybe.
Okay. So you see,
Dada. Oh, what kitchen so phone or there?
maybe I know some the muddy or crowd ground from phone to say that. Give some someone.
Sherry.
Auntie, phone man will go booking me.
Oh, that mean they call.
Oh, auntie.
Oh, Sherry.
Oh, bed to a damn person.
Sherry, yes, sir. Oh, they may call me.
Daddy! Now, dream one.
Sherry.
Subway surface, huh?
Sherry, me they call. Something I had. Spark. Very rude. Okay. The pool side up. Okay, so what's in your phone? Okay. Oil. Hey, my dear. Very rude. I'm going to be inside in the morning. She grabbed me. Silver. Nah, the same. Silver. This girl has killed me.